Hello everyone, greetings from PayTap's technical support team. In this series, you are going to learn everything you need to integrate PayTap's Node.js package into your Node.js project. Throughout the series, we will walk you through the 7 steps you need to fully understand and integrate the package. And now, let's get started. In this video, we are going to move to the next part of step 3, which is the clarification of the parameters, customer details, and shipping details. So let's get started. Here you can see in our code that you have two variables, the customer details and the shipping address. Here we have created a variable values for these customer details over here with all of the customer details passed to the variable over here, and we have equal the shipping address to the customer details. So let's take a look at it. Before we start, please note that you can find the full documentation for this step inside PayTap support portal under the article called the Node.js package integration manual. And let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to navigate to step 3 of the integration manual over here, and inside step 3 at the bottom of the page you will find an article called Manage the Shipping and the Billing Details. Here, throughout this article, we will go through the concept clarified in our solution article, how to remove, hide, billing, shipping details. Now, let's move through the steps. The first thing you need to do that all of the customer details are required to be sent with both of the parameters, both the customer details and the shipping address over here. But in the case of not passing it will not throw an exception, but it will be required to be entered by the customer inside the hosted payment page. So as you can see over here, we have created a variable called customer over here, and we have passed all the customer details which are required, and we have also passed the shipping address. So when we initiate this payment, it will only require the payment details from your customer, which means your customer will not need to write or to pass any of his details, because we have already passed his details, we have already passed his billing details over here, we have already passed his shipping details over here. All what he needs to pass is his card details over here. Now, let's say you don't want your customer to pass it. What you are going to do is you are going to leave these fields empty, and any empty field will be required to enter by your customer, but it will still be mandatory to be entered by your customer. Now, let's move to the next parameter of the create payment page function.